All right, let's do this thing. Pizza in the Pudge Pie. Again, the simpler, easy route. So easy you're gonna think it's cheating. All right, here we got the double pie iron. It's wicked easy pizza. I like this butter spray for this. It makes it just slick. Go heavy on the butter. Because why not? Something's gotta kill you, right? All right, so right here in the paper towels, that is my secret ingredient. That's not so secret. Tostitos party pizza, the square one. This is the way you do it. Be fire. All right, here we go. Here's my pizza pie in the Pudge Pie iron. So I'm gonna put mine in like that. Be delicious. This seasoning right here, Kinder's the blend. Some good shit. Give it a little shake. It is salt, pepper, and garlic. Everything that your body needs. Now I should have some Tabasco sauce around here somewhere. I think I've lost it. So let's do the cheese. Just continue putting on the cheese. I'm gonna put more of it here because I'm gonna fold her over. I'm gonna sneak a bite too because I'm like that. Don't want to waste a drop. Another thing that's really nice about this, no mess, you're gonna burn it all. I'm gonna take a bite of that sausage though. Should be pre-cooked. Alright, now the habanero Tabasco sauce. Woo! Should be lit. I like mine spicy. But we're not gonna get super hot tonight because oh well, it's hot outside. Like I'm sweating doing this. But I really want to do it this route because there's really nothing you're going to take besides a couple of these that are already in package. Super easy. Alright, now there ain't nothing to her but to do her. We're going to fold her over. Oh, look how easy that went. Easy, easy. Man, that bottom's gonna get awesome on this Pudge Pie. I fully believe it. So that right there is like the most perfect seal you could go for. Like it is sealed. Hardly anything sticking out. That's the way we like it. Right, down a little bit, let's throw her right there. As Steve Wallace says, step 2. In my case, step number 7. This piece is gonna be delicious. All right, let's get this bad boy out. You better get back down. It's hot. Let's open her up. I bet it looks delicious. Gotta one hand this. That's how I know how to do that with my fingers. Oh yeah. That's why I use the butter. A little bit black on this side, but not bad. Let's check this side. Sticking. Forgive me, Chastity.
Uh-oh. I fucked it up.
Oh no. You get that on these big jobs. That side turned out perfect. Is it good? It's hot. Ow! Oh! I gotta give it a minute. It's super hot. If you can hear it sizzle. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it over because I think that maybe the inside might still be cooking a little bit. So I'll let her just sit on it for a minute. Heard that before, huh? Let do. This is the double pie iron. All right. We let her sit for about 5 minutes, and she is steamy, steamy, steamy. Let's take this fillet knife, cut her. Oh my goodness. She got ooey gooey in the center. Let me see your fork. I'm gonna need it to cut this bad boy. I feel like my fire might have been a little bit too spicy. But definitely, if you got a punch pie, you're just looking for something badass, man, get this. Obviously, this knife's dull. Her half. Woo-wee. That'd be looking good. What's over here? This goo from it be bussin' too. Man, that was good. What's this like? Oh yeah, it's a blast. Throw that on the ground, because you can do that with pie irons. All right, let's see how this rolls. Whew, it's hot. Here she goes. I approve. It's hot. It's hard to hold it in your hands hot. Probably let it cool down a little longer than me. I left it in the fudge pie because I figured the inside was a little weird, but a lot of us like biting into a pizza roll too early. We can't, we're gonna give it a second and take another little try. Alright. It's supposed to be one bite. Everybody knows the rules, but I'm cheating because the last one was super hot. So, I mean, this is delicious. Still hot. Got some crunch.
Did you say crunk?
No, I said it got some crunch. It's hot. I like it hot. It's like a redneck ass hot pocket. Like a big hot pocket. The good thing is one of these would be a good meal for one person. Especially camping. And they're quick, easy. Pie iron. The pie iron's awesome. That and cup of noodles. I'm getting hardcore about that. I think I'll definitely invest in pie iron. Try one of these Tostino's pizza things. They used to be like $1, $1.19. It's hard telling what they are now after all Biden's bullshit. But I still suggest them. I mean, even if they're $2 now, they're probably a bargain. Anyways, drop me a comment. Man, I love to hear comments. Leave me some suggestions. Give me something to try in this pie iron. I want to hear that. What do you want me to try? Don't do nothing weird like chicken and dumplings. I can't do that in it, I don't think. I can try. It would probably be a failure, but if you watch this far, strongly consider subscribing. Anyways, peace out.